How to cancel CapCut app subscription. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you're wondering how you can cancel your CapCut subscription, it is quick and simple. All you need to do is firstly launch a Play Store application in your device. Now in here, make sure that you're currently logged in with the application account that you used to purchase the subscription for. If not, make sure to switch account. Then at the top you should see the user icon. You can click on it. After which, from all of these options, check out payment and subscription. You will find the option of subscription, just tap on it. In here, if you have subscribed to your CapCut application, you will see CapCut Pro right here. At the side, you might see the option of edit, manage or cancel. This depends upon your mobile feature. You can tap on any of this option, then confirm regarding the cancellation. Since then, your application nor your bank account will be charged for your CapCut Pro. And that is how you cancel out subscription for your CapCut app. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.